You want to go to the grave empty. You want to go to the grave knowing that you're going to hear, "Well done, my good and faithful servant. Great is your reward." Because you can run a race, a marathon race, and in the last 100 yards, blow it. In the last 10 feet, you can blow it. But if you're fully surrendered to the Lord, the Holy Spirit, truth says, Holy Spirit will guide you to all truth. You will know the truth. And when you know the truth, you will be set free. It's not reading the truth, gurgitating the truth. It's knowing the truth. His word is truth. His word is Jesus. And when you know Jesus, you know truth. And you can go to the grave empty. I don't want anybody to go to the grave today. But there's a day coming when we're all going to be there. I want to go empty.